Isikhathi
Funa isikhathi. Sele 5 minutes. Yeah. Hey, musaloku nimvezela. Phuza amanzi sasiningi lesikhathi mfethu. Ngiyakucela mfethu ngiyawudinga mina lo 100. Kuthi kaka manje ne. Hayi, shayva.
Come on, you. Come on, you.
Quit.
That's why I want you.
Quit, man. Come on, quit. Hey yo guys, uKing Ginger bafethu intwana nje iqeda ukushintsha manje phakathi neshow yenzela ukuthi kubuye ngathi olunye usuku. You know the story, Bafethu. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. We are within Bafethu. This is a student edition, and these are my friends. Don't forget that we are doing these things together. We stuck here. Very soon we're coming back with all the shandies, but right now we are on gLiTtv. And guys, please make sure that you keep on subscribing on this show. I will never let you down again. I'm sorry for upload all along. Now I'm back. Now I'm kicking. Now I have new friends and nabo bayangincanya. So gcwala ngami so lokhu sishutha le way le. Ngiphethe etata uyawazi ama rules angithi?
Ngiyazi.
Uyazi ne? So wena uthini wena nepelepele ninjani?
Mina siyazwana mfowethu pelepele.
Mfowethu pelepele. So wena uqale nini man ngicela uqale ngayoyiki pelepele.
Ipelepele ngiqale ngose ngikeka nandozi.
Anando.
Ikhona leya bathi very hot.
Very.
Ya ngumntana la nto.
Yele kombase.
Nokuyiselele nto manje.
Fethu xa ugqiba ngifuna uthathe le 100 rand uyoyitya ne?
Yeah, ungawari.
Yeah man, uyoyitya. All right guys, it's about that time. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. You know the rules. You eat 10 hot wings for 10 minutes. Don't drink water. Don't do anything. Don't quit. And I'm giving you 100. Are you ready?
Yeah.
My timer, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, time! Angoyiki. Vele wena into babayijwayele mfethu. So when Namandia vele are you relatives with the Indians? Because those are the best guys in this universe. Labantu abayipelepele bangayoyiki. Come on mfethu. Talk to me.
Don't even know let's how much is.
Oh, it's softy. Rantakara, pelepele. Hot but nice. So uyizwa kanjani? Ibingekho buyithuka ne?
Okay, mama.
Igrand ne?
Yebo yaqala ukukick mari grand.
Yeah. Hayi vele bathi imnandi misaqala ukukick. No, this is a little kick. Thina sathi izinto ezibabayo. Ithi Ithi ewe.
Ngathi ngayifani futhi.
Bathi ngathi ayifani. Hayi man ayithelwanga leyo.
Ithanda uvenge
P.
Jong.
Yoyika mpondini. Ngalele you are chickening out now. Ubalitywele elolityayo. Chicken. Yazi Brian ungayiyeka lento me and you we can take a selfie right now. I will also post this content and people will see ukuthi sit together mos.
Angathi ngikuthina.
Quita man. Utya manzi. Uzawulala njani? Guys, there's someone there. Ulokhethe nje imali yethu. Kodwa uyoyika. Ulokhethe nje imali yethu.
Do
you want to try? Umnandi. Chili. Uzizwa njani? Hot.
Uthise ngiyeke leyo.
Hayi chisi kuyeke. Shit. Iyahamba le mali futhi.
Oh, hey my man. Macho.
Fethu. Yeke
No.
My brother, ngizokunika 10 rand. 10% of 100. 10% of 100 rand. Please, my brother, you can't bomb yourself like this.
Noka yizona ngathethiyo.
My brother, think of your future. Think of tomorrow, going to school. Uvukaka. Eh? Think of you in the bus. Ibhasi iyahamba idlule eBramfontein uphethwe amakaka. Xa uthi yacinga ayikwazi ukuma ibhasi apha ndibethwa amakaka kuthi nyangoku.
Akaka ebhasini.
Ukaka ebhasini. Ukaki acha. Hey. Mfethu yeke lento. Ngicela mngani wami. Yeah, thatha amanzi mfethu.
Uzanika malini?
Ngizokunika 10%.
10%.
Mfethu. Kanjani mfethu? Fanele ngikunike malini? I can't let you die like this.
5 taka.
I can't.
5 taka.
I can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. I can only give you 10% and water. 10% and water, mfethu. Why are you doing this to yourself, bruh? Ngiyakucela mfethu. 100 rand uzowuthola kusasa uyahola wena iNSFAS iyeke lento uphuza
Hayi
amanzi.
ma.
Awudingi lo 100 rand awuthiyami. You don't need this.
I'll do it soon.
No, you don't. You have your money. Uyahola wena uhola uNSFAS nje yami. Ngini bayakufakela imali. Phuza amanzi mfethu usave 100 rand wami. Phuza amanzi usave 100 rand wami ngiyakucela mfethu.
Isikhathi sithini?
Funa isikhathi? Sele 5 minutes. Yeah. Hey, musalokhu nimvezela. Phuza amanzi sasiningi lesikhathi mfethu. Ngiyakucela mfethu ngiyawudinga mina lo 100. Kuthi kaka manje ne. Hayi, shayva.
Come on, you. Come on, you.
Quit.
That's why I'm true.
Quit, man. Come on, quit. My brother, we won't call you a quitter. We won't call you a quitter, but you will be a quitter. Even as crumbs, zebra. As crumbs, zebra. As crumbs, zebra. Be clean then to kawifumana. Quit, bruh. Be clean the way. Quit, man. Quit. You can quit now. Quit, man. Drink water. Drink water. Don't touch your eyes, bruh. I trust you. Come on, you can quit. You won't be a loser. You will be just a little loser. Hey, bruh, put some man. Are we thinking, man?
You don't talk to losers.
Aibo, ebafethu, khona umjita nje olekhethela emuva. We don't talk to losers. Do you want to be part of the losing team? Yeah, but come on, jump, man. Hoi. So, ibaba. Tissue for the hands. Let's have your phone now. Quit, come on. 3 minutes. Quit, Sanjay. Quit. Yeah. I'm a quitter to ahlale sithi. Phuza man. Amtshela water. Quit, bruh. Quit, bruh.
Think about your girlfriend.
But you think about your future. Think about your friends. Cry. I want to see you crying, my boy. Straight to the camera, my boy. Show them your strong face, bruh. Show them your strong. You can do this. You can quit. Come on. Quit. How much it has of transfer? Quit. That's it. Macho ngixesha. Quit, baba. You can still quit. You know, bra. Can I tell you? So, baba good man.
Yeah, my friend.
I wanna know. So, baba good.
Real Madrid, Baba.
Ngathi ungaseli venduka.
Yeah, mfethu.
Hayi ngajonga isixesha.
Samala.
Uyithatha A. Yeah. Wait. Almost there. We few seconds under the minutes. Guys, we're gonna be counting down very soon. I need energy. Buka mathishu mangakanani kwindoda eyi-1. Kuthi akakade. All right, we under a minute. We're on 50 seconds. 50 seconds. 100 ways to die. Are you ready? How are you feeling?
Yachisa lo. Yachisa.
Ichisa phi? Imnqundo wena la with throat. All right.
Uthini ngabala?
Ayeza bra. Angeke sibalise ngakubali.
Yeah, yeke le.
Buya.
Uthi uJesu.
Buya. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Come, bro. Tell us your experience, please.
Yachisa chuso.
Yashisa ne?
Yeah, ndiyasela ngo.
Yes, you can drink water.
Yeah,
How you
Chisa,
feeling? Yashisa ne? Yeah, so ichisapi? Nyakuvi yakhala ngoku. Ichisapi?
Up.
Emalipsini. Oh. Bathiza nasebusweni kakhulu. So ubusibenzani? Yakuchisa na. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, man. Ungayithinta ubuso namehlo uzonya lapha. You know, this is very odd. So uthini abantu bangayitrayisha ekhaya.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
Yela. Akudlalwa apha brothers. Don't try this at
So
home.
ngathi kuphela ivoice manje.
Yo, ngaze ngingathethi lo. Ibhlungu le kule ndawo.
But amanzi amancinci ngawa ne.
Welcome to the game.
Good. You good?
Yeah.
You getting okay? Maphelelo mo.
Silaga.
Eyabona intwana yami. Maripeti nyuku. King Ginger Cream to the cream. gLiTtv. I got my friends and they are winning here. I'm giving away money. Make sure that if you want to participate on this one, gLiTtv. Thank you so much, my friends.
Yeah. Run it up, Londo.
Yeah. Get up, chin up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, two shot, you ain't bout it, business. Put on, go on, Super Mario painting. Get up, chin up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, two shot, you ain't bout it, business. Put on, go on, Super Mario painting. I heard all your people be running it back. I heard you spit on the track. I'm here to inspire the